Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to trim video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the plus mark. This type of screen will appear in front of you. You click on this red button, then the video will be start. This red button. After this, you have to click on the edit. After that, edit will appear in front of you. You have to click on the split. This type of splitting will appear in front of you. The which part you want to split, you have to click on this. After that, you have to click on the save. Then the video that you have split it will be saved in your TikTok. That's all. If you are eager to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and score exclusive coupons spanning a wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.